Hello everyone, welcome back to my video, and in this video I'm gonna teach you the correlative conjunctions. Only few students know that correlative conjunctions play a vital role in English because it helps to connect two important statements, whether it is two important words, two important tasks and two important clauses. Let's start with both and I. So both and I we have to use to join two important facts. For example, I can speak both languages. So I can speak both languages, Hindi and English. So if you notice in this statement, I have used both and I together because that both and I are connecting an important statement. The next word is either and or. So either and or we can use to put or to mention two choices or two options. For example, either I will eat pizza or burger. Like या तो मैं पिज़्ज़ा खाऊंगी या मैं burger खाऊंगी, which means I'm giving or putting option towards something. The next is neither and nor, and we can also pronounce as neither and nor. So neither and nor we can use for two negative alternatives. Negative alternatives means two negative statements, negative things. For example, neither I will eat burger nor pizza, which means ना ही मैं burger खाऊंगी, ना ही मैं pizza खाऊंगी. The next one is no sooner than. So no sooner than we can use for quick sequence event. Quick sequence event means एक event के बाद कोई दूसरा action quickly होना या कोई quick action का एक instant result, we can see that. For example, no sooner I reached home, I saw my father. जैसे ही मैं घर पहुंची, फिर मैंने अपने father को देखा. The next is if and then. So if and then we can use for either and or type of situation. For example, अगर तुम नहीं आओगे तो मैं भी नहीं आऊंगी. If you don't come, I will also not come. So there is a rule that you have to keep in your mind that we cannot use will with if. So many people would say that कि if I use for a future statement, so I have to use if you will not come, I will also not come. But it's grammatically wrong. When we connect if with will, it would be grammatically incorrect. So even though if we want to talk about future statement, still we have to use present simple. So we would use if you don't come, I will also not come. Okay? The next thing is hardly and when. Hardly and when we can use for a rare situations. For example, I hardly drive a car when my father says, which means मैं मुश्किल से कार चलाता हूँ जब मेरे पापा मुझे बोलते हैं. Okay, and the last one is, and the important one would be not only but also. So not only but also we can use to connect another important point. For example, if you feel that you are going to stuck somewhere or you don't have enough words, so you can use this correlative conjunction and that will help you out to extend your answer. I'm giving you example. Not only this friend, but also I have friend with whom I share my secrets. मतलब बस ये ही दोस्त नहीं, एक और भी दोस्त है मेरा जिसके साथ मैं अपनी सीक्रेट को शेयर करती हूँ. तो जब भी आपको लगता है कि आपके पास कोई शब्द नहीं है, वर्ड्स नहीं है अपने आंसर को एक्सपेंड करने के लिए, we can use that correlative conjunction, not only but also. I hope you like this video and follow for more. Thank you.